One day at Random Docks, Carly was helping Thomas and Carr with the recycling. Thanks for helping us deal with the recycling, Carly. No problem, guys. Anything I could do. Man, this is heavy. How much recycling did you do? About, a lot. How much? A lot. 150. What? Oh, man. I don't think I could carry it. It's too heavy. I can do this. I can do this. Oh no. It's Wendy. Ah. Oh. I think it stopped. Oh no. This time it's going that way. Bye. Ow. Ow. Whoa. Sorry, Thomas. Wow. Well, at least it helped me take it to the recycling bin. I'm okay. Ouch. Sorry, Thomas. It was just only the wind. That's okay. I'm okay. So, how was the spinny ride? Well, it got me dizzy. But sometimes wind can't always make a crane really useful.